Have you ever opened your baby's diaper and wondered, is this normal? One diaper can reveal a surprising amount about your baby's health. Today, we'll look at the most common baby poop colors, what they usually mean, and which signs should prompt a call to your pediatrician. Before we look at individual colors, it's important to know that baby poop naturally changes over time. A baby's age, diet, feeding method, and even minor illnesses can affect how poop looks. Different doesn't always mean something is wrong. That's why understanding the bigger picture is so important. Let's start with one of the most common types: yellow, mustard-colored, grainy poop. Many breastfed babies have poop that looks almost seedy or grainy. This is usually completely normal and often reflects healthy digestion. For many newborns and young infants, yellow and grainy is exactly what we expect to see. Green poop often worries parents, but in many cases, green poop is completely normal. It may happen because of iron supplements, diet changes, or food moving through the intestines more quickly. If your baby is feeding well, acting normally, and has no concerning symptoms, green poop by itself is usually not a reason to panic. As babies grow and begin formula or solid foods, brown and tan poop becomes more common. This is generally considered normal. The color often becomes darker, and the smell may become stronger as the digestive system matures. Brown and tan poop usually indicate that digestion is working as expected. Sometimes parents notice clear, jelly-like mucus in a diaper. A small amount of mucus can occasionally happen and may not be serious. For example, it can appear during mild illnesses or periods of increased saliva from teething. However, repeated mucus, large amounts of mucus, or mucus combined with other symptoms should be monitored closely. If mucus appears together with blood, fever, poor feeding, or unusual fussiness, contact your pediatrician. Blood in a baby's poop should never be ignored. Sometimes it may come from a small tear near the anus called an anal fissure, but blood can also be associated with allergies, infections, or other medical conditions. Even small streaks of blood deserve attention, especially if they happen more than once. If you notice blood in your baby's stool, contact your pediatrician for guidance. This is one of the most important warning signs parents should know. White, gray, or clay-colored poop is not considered normal. Many parents don't realize that pale poop can sometimes signal problems involving the liver or bile ducts. Because bile helps give stool its normal color, very pale poop deserves prompt medical attention. If you see this color, contact your pediatrician as soon as possible. During the first few days after birth, black sticky poop called meconium is completely normal. But after the newborn period, black Tarry or maroon-colored stool may indicate bleeding higher in the digestive tract. This type of stool should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. Watery diarrhea is different from normal loose baby stool. Frequent watery poop can lead to dehydration, especially in younger babies. Babies can become dehydrated much faster than adults. Watch for signs such as fewer wet diapers, dry mouth, unusual sleepiness, or poor feeding. If diarrhea is persistent or your baby seems unwell, seek medical advice. Let's quickly summarize. Usually normal, yellow and grainy poop, green poop, and brown or tan poop. Monitor closely. Small amounts of mucus without other symptoms. Contact your doctor if you notice blood, white or pale poop, black Tarry stool after the newborn period, or persistent watery diarrhea. Most importantly, remember that every baby is different. When something doesn't seem right, trust your instincts and speak with your pediatrician. Knowing what's normal helps you parent with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other parents. And tell us in the comments, which baby poop color surprised you the most? We'll see you in the next video.